Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
And I broke my door.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, the first demo it did that.
What's your name, man? What's in here?
My name's Sawyer. You got a demo for me one time
Yep.
before, and then now it's got a different port. It's on two MD8Ks now.
Orion HCCAs?
Yep. Same
On a-
subs.
6th order?
Yep.
Did you build this?
No, Jake Zimmerman did. SDK.
Okay. Yep. Is this an 8-inch or a 6?
That's an 8-inch.
Nice. What are the peak tunings on it?
Right now it's probably peaking at around like 34,
Okay.
33. I wanted to go lower, but you have to be like within, like you can't go more than 4
yeah.
inches between the top
Yeah.
and bottom or the bottom down.
Yes, sir. Nice.
So I'm kind of stuck at that 30 hertz range.
Yep. Yeah, I love to hear it, man. Uh-oh.
It'll go back up. It'll just come right the hell back up.
Yeah. It's what, high 30s to what, 60 hertz or something like that?
That port maybe dropped it down 2 hertz.
Yeah.
If that. And it didn't really make much difference.
Yes,
at all.
sir.
It sounds cleaner though. It's
Yeah.
smoother. You know?
Thank you very much, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Where's your amps at?
On this side, that side is the mid-range. It looks sloppy. It's got a,
Can I see the amps?
you gotta jerk on it. You gotta pull it hard.
There you go.
DSP's not even hooked up. That's why the highs don't even hit like that.
Nice. Is that your subs? I smell them a little bit.
It's a new Recon.
Oh, okay.
Brand new Recon, hasn't been broke in. You're just
I'm coming over.
Well done, man.
How you open this one?
same way. Bear with me with this connection.
You're good, man. All right, this is the Sundown 2021 show. About to get a demo. 2 Orion 15, sorry. And a 6th order. Go ahead and hit the like button if you haven't, and subscribe. They're really good. Yeah. I got called right the wrong way. Hey, let me call you back.
Here goes some egg whites. Now, this is stuff. I'm going. You going. He go.
egg whites. Now this is the
Wow.
About as much as I can do there.
Still good bandwidth, man. It still likes what, high 30s to what, 60 hertz or something like that?
That port maybe dropped it down 2 hertz.
Yeah.
If that. And it didn't really make much difference.
Yes,
at all.
sir.
It sounds cleaner though. It's
Yeah.
smoother. You know?
Thank you very much, man.
Yeah, no problem.
See you on the next one. Subscribe.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.